What's going on, y'all? It's your man Bo Reshay, and today we're gonna be doing a tour of the DAW. Quickly show y'all a couple things that we got around the DAW, FL Studio, and this is the metronome, right? Let's start here. This is the metronome. So when you're clicking, right, the metronome clicks to show you where you're at in tempo-wise, show you how fast the tempo is. So if you want to record some notes in, you know how fast you're going. So it clicks on tempo, right? So let me show you what I'm talking about. If I slow the tempo down, the metronome slows down as well. This is tempo. This is how fast your beat is. First of all, this is how fast your beat is. If you want to do R&B, you might want to come down to 60. If you want to do trap, maybe 70, 75. Hip hop, maybe 90. But I'm gonna rock with 80 or 81 today. That's metronome. This is keyboard, type keyboard to piano keyboard. And this is just basically you could type anywhere on your keyboard and it'll play the notes for you. So on your keyboard, it'll play the notes. That's all you pretty much need to know from here. Tempo. This is how you play. This is how you play. That's how you stop. That's basically all you need to know from here. This is a record. If you want to record some MIDI, record some vocals. This is playlist. So with playlist, you build your song out, put your pattern there, here, you know, wherever you build your song out. I'll show you a little bit more of that later. This is piano roll, right? So piano roll. This is the channel rack. So that's this right here where you build your patterns. This is your mixer. This is where you mix your song, level it and all that. This is plugin picker. You know, if you want to pick some plugins from there, that's cool. It's all good. This is tap tempo. If I have a tempo in my head and I want to know how fast it is in FL Studio, I just that's like some R&B type joint. You just, you know what I'm saying, like some R&B, real slow, real nice. And that's basically it. That's basically all you need to know from here. You know, real basic stuff. This is kits. This is where all your sounds are gonna be if you're using stock sounds, and your drum kits are gonna be here. I'm gonna show you how to add that later. But your kits are, you know, I got those Kendrick Lamar, Drake, Boy Wonder, and all that. And this is your packs. Where the sounds are gonna be, you know, vocals. Sounds real dope, legacy, drums, and all that. But I don't get too much into that, you know. That's where your sounds are, and everything else here is kind of just there. You don't really need it. And yeah, that's basically the tour of the DAW. This is your pattern mode and your song mode. I'll show y'all a little bit more of that later. And I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. That's the tour of the DAW. See you in the next one.